No, I cannot eat this. This is beef. It's forbidden in my faith. How can a hospital not respect this?
Mr. Ravi, this is today's menu. It's part of your prescribed diet. You need nourishment to recover. Hindi natin pwede i-cater yung cultural preference niya. Hindi na nga magkandaw-gaga yung kitchen natin sa pagpo-provide ng standard meal. Paano pa kaya pagka pinabago natin yan? Pwedeng gumaya yung iba.
Pero Carla, it's just a preference. Lalo yung pagkain ng mga beef. So much offensive yun.
Hindi rin machine ang mga tao. May value sila. Kung hindi niya makakain yung pinoprovide natin, para saan pa yung care na binibigay natin?
So anong sinasuggest mo, Aisha?
Also, rules should not erase humanity. Kakusapin natin yung dietitian, and sa ngayon, ang mapaprovide lang natin is rice and vegetables.
Mr. Rabi, we're sorry for the oversights. We understand this caused you distress.
I admit we should have considered your beliefs. We only thought of what was nutritionally standard, not spiritual.
From today, your diet will be vegetarian. Our dietitian will prepare rice, lentils, vegetables, and milk for you.
Thank you. Now I feel respected and I can focus now on healing.
So this case reminds me, healing is not just a medicine. It's about the respect who was the patient.
I thought following rules was enough. But maybe real nursing means knowing when to bend them for compassion.
True care means respecting the body, mind, and culture of every patient. That's transcultural nursing.